What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showing you a new product that I've got for the car. This is from Ceuk Rgb and it is the Bluetooth 70mm, I'll show you, RGB halo lights. They'll go around your fogs, just to sort of, I don't normally get stuff like this just because I'm a bit sort of, I don't know if it's going to look tacky or not, but I thought, you know what, they're a decent price. I thought I'd just get them, see what they're like, and can't really go wrong. A bit of fun. So what I'm going to do is show you exactly what's inside the box and then we'll go through it. Before we carry on, I want to just say this is not an install video. What I'm going to do is, because this is a lot of wiring and bits like that, I say it a lot, it's not really, it's a few connectors, but I've got to sort of wire it up to the car, and I've never really done something like this before, so I want to concentrate. So I'm not going to film an install, but I'm going to put it all together and then I'll show you exactly how it's done, sort of talk you through what I did and any sort of problems I come across and how I solved it, etc, etc. So I'm sure with this video, by me sort of showing you sort of a diagram of how it's done, I'm sure it'll be easy for you to follow. So let's jump on and I'll show you exactly what I get in the box. So we're greeted in a nice, really sturdy, secure box, and as you can see, it's got 5 years warranty, a QR code that is, you scan that on your phone, it gives you your installation guide. A dream of being a pen. So we open up the box and here is what we get. First thing we're greeted with is a packaging that's got the fuse, some installation tape, and by the looks of it, some sort of double-sided pads. Again, obviously none of this has been open, I'm showing you right now. Second of all, we have got what to me is the main sort of Bluetooth receptor with the fuse. This is the main power bit, which I'm guessing, obviously that's where your fuse goes in, that goes to your main bit on the battery, and this will be your earth, which goes like that, and then your other bits connect off of this. Oh, don't forget we've got a nice multicoloured Ceuk Rgb sticker, very, very nice. Put that aside. And here are the main bits itself. So as you can see, we've got 2 of the ring lights, exactly just like this, and some connectors here, which again, very simple, looks like just connect to there. So as I always say, I'm no mechanic, I'm no technician, I'm no electrician or whatever you want to call this. I think the hardest bit is going to be just getting the wires up to where they should be and making sure they're not touching anything, not going to like get damaged and stuff like that. That's going to be the hardest bit of it all, but I'm sure we can do it. As you can see, there's not really much to it. It is sort of the hardest bit is going to be probably putting the wires through, connect it to the battery. Very, very simple. The key to this, I've read on the instructions, they do say don't rush it, don't try and skip steps, and take your time. I'm sure it will all be cool. So what I'm going to do is try and crack on, get these fitted. I'll give you an update video halfway through of how I'm finding it. If I'm really struggling, then I'll tell you. If I'm not, if I find it really simple, I'll let you know. So hopefully by the time I next see you guys, I'll be hopefully nearly done, and then we can demonstrate this, exactly how it works. I'll show you the app that you use, I'll show you everything in this video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Right guys, so it's a new day. It's been a very sort of long day really. I ended up doing an overnight shift last night. Didn't get home till early hours this morning. Well, whatever time it was. But anyway, it's been a long night for me. The lights are done. We done them that day. A good friend of mine come over and helped me fit them, just because it was easier to have 2 of us just doing it, get done quicker, because it was getting dark. I will talk to you and I will show you exactly around the car of how we did it and where we've put the wires. But before we do that, I want to talk to you about how they work. So basically, as you can see on screen now, you can see me flicking straight through the application that you use to function these lights. It's all done by Bluetooth. It's actually very, very easy to use. It's really user friendly. You can select that from loads, probably about 100 different settings. You can have pulsing, red, blue, multicolored, rainbow. You can have strobe lighting. You can have it just so you can change all the speeds. As you can see, I'm flicking through loads of different stuff now on screen. So there's hundreds of different options that you can do with this. You can also play it in time with music. You can talk to it and it picks up your voice and flashes in time with your voice, which is a bit weird, but it's a cool little feature that it has on there. And they are really, really good. They're nice and bright, a bit too bright if you ever want to risk driving with them. Not that you should, because they are for off-road only. So I'm going to jump outside in a minute when it actually decides to stop raining, because again, as you all know, from whenever I start my YouTube channel to whatever videos I make, it's always got to rain, as you all know. So I've just got to wait for it to stop drizzling. I've actually got to do a 3.5 hour drive tomorrow. It's my birthday and I'm actually going away for the weekend. So it's about a 3.5 hour drive away where I'm going. So the STs are all set up, ready to go. Checked all the oils, had an oil change recently. Blah, 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 blah. All the boring stuff. You're not here to know about that. You're here to know about the lights. So what I'm going to do is jump over, go outside, show you the lights, show you how we set them up. And then when it gets dark, I'll do a demonstration of what they look like. Right, so as you can see, we've got the battery here. We've got the main live wire with your fuse in there. And you've got your earth. So we've run it down here. And then everything is all sitting under here. Then obviously it goes down to one fog light and then down to the other fog light. But the actual receiver box is sitting round about, I don't know if you'll be able to see, we've literally managed to tuck it right down. It is sitting under here, so it's out the way, it's not going to get wet, it's not going to get damaged, and it's sort of hidden away. The only thing I am going to do is try and tidy these bits up, maybe cable tie them down, put some tape around it, 'cause I've got some nice black tape that I can put around it just to sort of protect it a bit. But yeah, really nice and easy. So as you can see, obviously the white bit there is the lights now installed. One each side, and again I will just show you, can't actually see any cable whatsoever for these, as I've managed to hide it right under this. Lighting's not very good in here, so you have to bear with us, but that is being changed, so wait out for that video. I want to just say these lights are really awesome. Let's carry on. These lights are really awesome at such a good price. Link will be down in the description. I'm gonna highly recommend these. We've had some really heavy rain at the moment, so I was getting a bit worried. Perfect, no problems whatsoever. It's all been really good. So anyone that wants to get it, again, check down in the description. Massive shout out to CA UK for supplying me these at such fast delivery as well. From this time when you're going to be watching this video, I would have just picked up another car, so it's nothing exciting for the channel, but I will show it around the channel just because it's going to sort of lead up to why I've got another car, because something's happening to this car. It's all exciting, all good stuff. And like I say, smash the subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, blue_st180, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care, guys.